In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert and manage images within your Word document. So assuming I have this Word document and I want to insert a page here, an image here, I can just click here. So I have my image space where I want to put it. So I'll come to insert over here all the way to the top. You can see images or pictures directly. You can click. You can add photos from a browser if you have a browser open, from a file, or from stock images that they have within Microsoft Word, or from online sources. So let's say we'll start from a picture file. Let's say I have this file on my desktop. I call it Word, and I can just click and insert it. So you can see it has just been inserted. And once you insert a picture, you'll notice that you have the picture format over here. So you have all of these properties to deal with. Like you can play around with the different style. Okay, you can vary the styling of the image, the framing. You can frame it and change the looks of it, put in the corrections in terms of the sharper, softer, and brighter. You can remove background directly from here, and you can increase the transparency and so much more. You can add picture borders and picture effects from here. You can see quite a lot of things that you can do to this particular picture. One of the key things I like to use is this wrap feature, or the position. I like to put in the text behind or in front of my text for ease of access. So you can see something like this. So right now it's in front of the text, where I can just hit to give it the right position that I want. So I can just put it in here, or on my own I can define where I want it to be. So you can click and resize it, and then you can give it a good position here. So unlike when you have it wrapped in the text that it moves around with the text, you can have it as well. So anytime you want to bring in the format feature, you have to double click on the image, and it's going to bring back the format feature, and you can have access to all of this. You can crop even if you want to crop a section of it, very easily. Once you hit on it, it now have that crop. So you can double click to bring it back and do many things from here using the picture formatting features. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.